HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device. Let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password, fingerprint or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's press power key to switch off the device, tap power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Let's wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. As soon as HUAWEI logo pops up on the screen, you need to release power key, and now let's only hold down the volume up. So keep holding volume up until the MUI mode pops up. Let's keep holding volume up. Alright, now we can release all keys. As you can see, this is MUI mode. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button to choose it. Then scroll down by using volume down to Wipe Data Factory Reset again and press power key again. Here we've got the information about the Google account. So after the reset, if you have added the Google account, the device asks you for the password and email to this account. So in order to accomplish that operation, so the hard reset operation, let's choose Wipe Data Factory Reset again, press power key to confirm it, and right now the device is erasing all personal data, customize settings, install apps. So let's just be patient and wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. As you can see, the MUI mode pops up again on the screen, so it means that now you have to choose reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and now let's just wait for the welcome panel. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern, password or other screen lock method, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.